Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you reset the stats code on the Blox Fruit game? Now, all you have to do is go ahead and access the menu, open the game, access the menu in the game, and then locate the code redemption option, look for the option redeem codes, which means it's often labeled as code redemption or something, and enter the code, a specific code that you want to reset. Make sure that you're accurate with it, and reset or redeem code, just click it there, and after resetting the code, there might be an option to appropriate action based on your goal resetting the code, and confirmation. You have to confirm to reset the code if prompted by the game. So that's it. I certainly hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.